I could give you guys any form of advice that could improve your physical, mental, and just your health overall, it would definitely be sleep. Sleep is extremely important, but even though this is the case, many of us sacrifice our sleep for other activities, like being on social media. So, if you don't believe me, maybe the following reasons might change your mind. Number 1. Recovery. Sleep is the best form of recovery, whether you work out or if you're sick. As you sleep, your body repairs damaged tissues, produces new cells, and strengthens the immune system, which means you need sleep to gain muscle. Number 2. Improves focus and memory. Now, sleep is vital for brain function, learning, and solving problems. It also improves memory consolidation, which is the brain's ability to store new information in long-term memory. So the reason you're doing bad in that test is because you're not sleeping enough. Last but not least is mental health. Now, sleep plays a big role in mental health, as when we don't get enough sleep, we tend to be more irritable and just in a bad mood for the rest of the day. So, how can we get better sleep? Now, the first step is having a sleep schedule. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This regulates your body's internal clock, which improves the quality of your sleep. Now, the appropriate time that you should be getting some shut-eye is 7 to 9 hours daily. And a very big misconception is that if you go to bed at 9 and you wake up at 5, you slept 8 hours. Do the math. It's not how it works though. It takes a while before you actually fall asleep, which leads me into my next tip. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Take time to relax. Before you sleep, read a book, meditate, and journal. Doing these 3 things will have you sleeping in no time. Reading helps you relax and releases a chemical called melatonin, which makes you fall asleep. Journaling is actually there for dumping down, writing down your thoughts, feelings, and how your day was, which will actually help you sleep better and feel more relieved as you dump down. Now, the third step is avoiding screens before bed. The blue light emitted by your phone and laptop can interfere with your sleep. The blue light from your phone and laptop is similar to the light that we receive during the day. Exposure to this blue light during the evening can confuse the body's natural circadian rhythms, signaling to the brain that it's actually daytime and not time to sleep. In conclusion, sleep is a critical aspect to our overall health and well-being. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining optimal cognitive function, emotional balance, and physical health. By taking these steps, we can obtain optimal health and well-being and improve our overall quality of life. Thank you.